Hey Ricardo, there's still plagiarism here and I'm going to show it to you. If you click on this 8%, then you get this report. And if you scroll down, everything that's flagged is matched to something that's previously published. And so like this first one, that's fine. That's in quotation marks. But all of this, that's directly from your source, and all of this directly from your source. So that has a little bit of quotation marks, and I think that's it. I think everything else is okay. But what you need to do is you need to paraphrase those sentences. And the best way to paraphrase to avoid plagiarism is to pick a new subject. So like look at this sentence here. Such changes in ocean chemistry can affect the behavior of non-calcifying organisms as well. So use non-calcifying organisms. Maybe find a synonym for organisms like creatures. Let's just try that. Let's use that as our subject. Non-calcifying creatures. How about this? The non-calcifying creatures behave differently when they can behave differently when the chemistry in their environment is altered, which is what is happening, which is what is happening during acidification or something like that. You pick a new subject and you restructure your sentence, and that's how you avoid plagiarizing. And by the way, the strictest definition of plagiarism is 3 words in a row, the same as your original.